Hello everybody, welcome to Jonathan Checo Fitness. In this video we will talk about beta-alanine. Well, beta-alanine has been in many pre-workouts since I started hitting the gym. Like around 7 years ago, it came out. So this is a non-essential amino acid that your body produces. But keep in mind, guys, that you don't really need this. And if you are supplementing yourself with pre-workouts that have this non-essential amino acid, then I would advise you to not take it. Now, I will lay out the reasons why. But first, let me explain what is beta-alanine. Well, as I said, it's a non-essential amino acid that it raises your muscles' carnosine levels. So you could do an extra 2 or 3 or 4 reps and you don't feel that burn, because sometimes we stop doing some repetitions because it burns. And what beta-alanine helps us do is that helps us perform a few more reps. But there's a few consequences to this. So one of them is it decreases your taurine levels. It's another amino acid that your body produces, but we don't eat that much of taurine. So if we supplement ourselves with pre-workouts that have beta-alanine and we keep on taking it, it is gonna damage your body. It's very toxic to your body, which a lot of companies do not tell you. Why? Because they want to profit from you. And what you're doing is you're buying the pre-workouts because you need some energy to go to the gym, and you don't know that you are taking beta-alanine and a lot of more ingredients that are going to damage you in the long term and even in the short term. So beta-alanine is what gives you this the tingles, that you feel like you have 100 ants in on your arms, feet, face, everywhere, and you want to scratch yourself everywhere. Well, guys, do not take beta-alanine because it's just gonna help you at 1 or even a 2% in the short term, but in the long term, it's not good for your body, guys. And if you really need the energy, take caffeine. That's it. Between 200 milligrams to 500 milligrams of caffeine before your workout. That caffeine, it's in all the pre-workouts, especially some that are non-stimulant. But guys, if you really need that energy, just take caffeine before your workouts and do not damage your body taking all these supplements that the companies are making you take and making you think that are gonna do good for you, but actually they're harming you. And we produce beta-alanine, so as in carnosine, we produce it. So why supplement ourselves with extra if we don't even really need it? Well, guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. I'll watch you in the next one.